Hey guys, what's going on? Soldier Tesla back here again with another quick video. Has this ever happened to you? Well, guess what? It's happened to me before. This product has saved me a couple times in regards to not messing my rims up when I get too close to the curb. So check out this video and I hope you like it. Today's topic is going to be on curb rash. Yes, curb rash. I've seen a lot of posts on Facebook and multiple groups talking about people buying their vehicle and 24 hours into owning the car, they hit the curb and they scratch their rims up. So I have a product that I purchased, RIMSAVERS. I purchased these from RPM Tesla. A bunch of other websites sell them. You can find them on Amazon. They come in different colors, different shapes, so for different wheel sizes. So what this does is that it protects the outer lip of the rim. So for minor scrapes on the curb, this will definitely protect your rims. I'll also have a link in the bio that will take you to this product if you choose. appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Peace.